played the Lakers preseason. The first year I got here, he did the same thing, same type of thing. He played for a three. He got 2 times in a row. But he got some passes that he go left hand on the other side of the court to the other corner. I mean, he's phenomenal passer with his left hand.
Kevin, how do you compare what you've seen from Quinn lately compared to last season?
He got an opportunity now. He's knocking down shots. Quentin, one of those guys, he knows what he's going to bring to the table every night. He just needs the minutes and the flow and the rhythm. Need to get rhythm. He's just steady. You know, it's a good presence out there for us. I think it's been like that every time he steps on the court. I mean, I just see the versatility, the aggression, you know, somebody that big, that size, control the paint, definitely post up, his positioning, and that's dominant. That's what centers do in the dominant. They put themselves in position. He definitely